Hey everyone, I'd like to welcome you to this luxurious condo located at 1120 Karby Terrace in Sunnyvale. I'm Rabia, your Sunnyvale real estate expert, and I'm here today at the Solaire community, which is located in the heart of Sunnyvale. This condo is the largest floor plan in the community, featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Come with me as we take a look to see if this could be your future home. As you enter the home, you're greeted with an open concept living featuring a large living room adjoining the dining and kitchen with a cozy patio great for outdoor dining. This home features gleaming hardwood floors throughout, along with a top-of-the-line kitchen with upgraded cabinets, counters, stainless steel appliances, large island with the breakfast nook, and a spacious pantry. With 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 large bathrooms, this home is move-in ready, waiting for you to call it home. Built in 2015, this end unit condo is bright and spacious. Homeowners love this location because of its proximity to shopping and dining in the newly built downtown Sunnyvale, as well as many tech companies such as Amazon, Google, Apple, Nvidia, and more. It's also a short walk to VTA, grocery, and coffee. After a long day of work, you'll appreciate the short walk to Seven Seas Park, great for an evening stroll. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of 1120 Karby Terrace, Unit 201. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a showing, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I look forward to seeing you at the open house this weekend.